Welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. Just want to do a quick video on this new DeWALT 12V brushless impact wrench. 1/2-inch square drive that I have purchased and will be a part of my giveaway after I do a few videos. You all know this is an impact wrench and it's great. So you can use your impact wrench to drive the hex head lag screws, 6-inch, 8, 10-inch, 12-inch. Doesn't matter, it'll drive. The impact wrench will drive these into wood, no problem. But what happens when you want to drive something with a star bit or a smaller hex head, or let's say you want to even drive a Phillips head screw, right? You can use the impact wrench and it's going to be cheaper. This is the 1/2-inch square to 1/4-inch hex adapter, right? So you can use this to drive in the smaller hex head bolts, or the star screws, right here, to drive in those star screws, which is pretty awesome. Or if you need to drive a Phillips screw, basically it's a 1/4-inch adapter, right? Pretty great adapter here for an impact wrench. Or if you just want to drill holes, again, you can use a drill bit here. Any 1/4-inch hex bit will work no problem on this, y'all. It's much cheaper than getting an impact driver. You can use your impact wrench as an impact driver. Let me go ahead and demonstrate. Here we go. Let's start off with the 10-inch hex head screw. This screw comes with its own adapter. No problem. Drives it just as fast as an impact driver, I think. Go ahead and drive an 8-inch lag screw here.